So this is what the refrigerator is looking like right about now. Yes, I have a bunch of healthy stuff in there, but no, I haven't been wanting to eat it because I'm still having cravings for trash. So I just bought all this stuff and it's just sitting there, even though I have an orange every day. But this is what it's looking like right now. Not junk, just no room for anything. I forgot what I had up there, but I just took it down. So that's why that's empty. But this is the rest of the fridge. I might do the freezer another day because I don't feel like it. So I don't want to get overwhelmed and then just quit midway. But I have this. Yeah, you see it's all disorganized. So but today I'm going to try and tackle the fridge because there's stuff that's everywhere and I can't even sit stuff up. It's disorganized and I don't like it. So here I decided to just do the refrigerator in bits and pieces. This way I don't have to keep the refrigerator open the entire time. So I'm going to do the door first, and then I'm going to do the top level, middle level, the bottom, and so on and so forth.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone,
So yeah, we all have these extra spare things from fast food restaurants. I had the ketchup from Chick-fil-A, the butter from Cracker Barrel, and of course the salad dressing from Zaxby's. I don't know, I always tend to save that stuff, but then I forget it's in there and then I end up trashing it. So
bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, and not by myself. Later, talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck it all, tear it apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion.
So we moved to this house a little over a year ago, September 2022 to be exact. I haven't decorated anything. I have the smallest decoration bone in my body there is. I can't decide on what color paint to use. I can't decide on what to hang up. I'm not very, I'm not very home decor oriented. I don't know. The house is just blah to me. The only thing I have are those plants in the corner. I have a few things hung up on the wall in the living room that we had since 1962, but I don't know. I need to go shopping. But then when I do go shopping, I get frustrated and I put the stuff back and then just go home. Go figure.
Save yourself. Hey. Save your baby girl. question what my future has in store. I get to panicking anxiety, can't live here no more. No more. 'Cause I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I've learned it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength. Sabotage my love. Sabotage my love. Root of my own pain.
Just so you guys don't think I was talking to myself, I was actually on the phone with Jason and my daughter-in-law Liz. They just had my little G baby, my grandbaby. His name is Giannis, and I can't wait to meet him. I'm actually going to visit him next week. So I am excited. He's so little. He was 6 pounds, I think 6 pounds and 5 ounces, or he was 6 pounds and something ounces. But he's so adorable. I'll be sure to take a bunch of pictures and videos, of course.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you.
So periodically do this video, I have to close the refrigerator and open it again because the refrigerator thinks that it's just open on its own and that nobody's there. And the light goes off. I guess that's to conserve energy.
Reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you.
It feels like I'm putting a puzzle together when I put everything back in this refrigerator. Too much stuff.
Yeah. Reset. It ain't nothing. We on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. And don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning.
I really don't know what those two drawers are for. They're very small. I don't know what the refrigerator manufacturer was thinking that people put in there, so I just put my cheese in there. I guess I could have taken my cheese sticks apart and put those in there individually, but it's not very big, so I don't know, bacon maybe? But I had that Tupperware thing to put my bacon in for years, so I'm leaving my bacon in that. But yeah, I don't know what else to put in there. If y'all have drawers like this and you put something different besides cheese, let me know.
Why you texting, you still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah.
So yeah, that's the same 2 bags of salad that I bought from Publix last week or the week before. I don't know. You remember I was supposed to start eating healthy and I was just gung-ho about it, and I was like, ooh, I got 2 bags of salad. I got some chicken to put with it. Yeah, it's been sitting in there. Thankfully, it hasn't gone bad, so if I can get my act together, I will be having those bags of salad. Because I don't want to waste my money, and I'm tired of eating junk. I'm tired of being, I was going to say I'm tired of being fat, but I'm not fat. I'm tired of being 10 pounds heavier. How about that?
When it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going on. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
That gray fuzzy thing behind that white thing that just came off, I think that's a filter. It looked like the same type of filter that was on a vacuum machine. A vacuum machine. So a vacuum, I guess, to catch dirt. I don't know what it's for, but it came with the fridge.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done.
That was me throwing a mini temper tantrum because I couldn't get the drawer back in. I was getting frustrated. I just wanted to throw the drawer in the trash and close the fridge and call it a day. I was too tired. I mean, well, not tired. I was just didn't feel like cleaning the fridge anymore. So yeah.
Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Whoa.
So that one single solitary magnet is there to cover up a dent that Lewis put in the fridge. Well, by mistake. He opened up the top oven before the fridge was closed, and yeah, we can't fix that. So we got to cover it up. So ladies and gents, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning the refrigerator with me. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. So you don't think I was using the same microfiber towels. I got these from Amazon. I guess they're shop rags. I don't know what you call them, but I mean, they come in handy instead of using sponges all the time. I use them and then I put them in the washing machine, fold them up, and underneath the sink they go. If you watch till the end of this video, I want you to post or comment, give me 3 unicorns if y'all watch this video in its entirety. We'll see how this goes. And thank you for watching. If you could, just like the video for me. It's something to do with the algorithm and all that other nonsense that YouTube has changed since I came back from YouTube. So give me 3 unicorns, like the video. I was gonna say comment, but if you comment with the unicorns, that means you commented. So, but that's it. Let me go, because y'all know I tend to ramble on and ramble on. That's it.